Dun dun dun. They're obviously gonna pick up.
Hello.
This is Sogan.
Hi, last week my cat went missing, and I was wondering if you cooked him on your hibachi grill.
Excuse me?
My cat!
Your cat?
My cat!
What about your cat?
My cat is missing, and I saw him go into your store.
Oh, no. No.
I came in, one of my friends went in like an hour later, and she said that my little Fluffy's tail was on her plate.
No. I'm sorry, Dad. No.
She's a white cat. She's white, and she's brown and black. She has all the colors in her. She's my baby.
I'm sorry. I wish I could help you, but I don't find the cat. But, you know, like, I could ask them to look after your wife, Brown.
My cat he went right into your place. Are you sure that he didn't get cooked?
No, sweet cat. Not a meat cat. Somebody cook a cat. How thoughtful do you think?
Not even on accident. Like,
No.
the chef didn't notice maybe. I don't know.
No. No, cat.
And also, my baby went missing too, and I don't know where he is either.